Okay, let's start with this is the May June paper and this is variant 3 for paper 2. Okay? Okay. Uh, Again, the energy is released from the organism by respiration. Okay. Second concept is the one which students usually forget. It's about monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Keep in mind the number of petals or in the monocots. It's the 3 or multiple of 3. Yes. Okay. While in dicot, it is the multiple of 4 or 5. Okay. So that's why the answer is D. Okay. This is a cross section. First of all, label it. Then we'll talk about nucleus. Yeah, you are correct. You are correct. Z is cell wall. Yes, yes. It is cell wall. Okay. So which structure can also be found in animal cell? W and X. W and X. Which level of organization is shown by heart? C. There is a question you have to put something in order. I'm giving you the option RBCs, heart, circulatory system, and heart muscles. Put them in order. RBCs, heart muscles, heart, and then circulatory system. I guess this question was in variant 2. Okay, next one. Female moths release chemical into the air and male moth detect these chemical and fly toward the female. What is this example? Diffusion. Yes. Next one. Okay. Which membrane is partially permeable? B. Cell membrane. Cell wall is fully permeable. Okay. Yes. What what are the smaller basic unit of starch and glycogen? D. Both are carbohydrates. Both are made up of glucose. Okay. Starch is present in plants or stored as food in plants, while glycogen is stored as food in animals. Okay. But both are carbohydrates. Okay. DNA is made up of how many strands coiled together? Two strands. Okay. There are two strands. These strands, contain chemical called. Wow. DNA is made up of bases. These chemicals form. These chemicals form cross links. Yes. So DNA, the main, you can say one unit is called as nucleotide. And each nucleotide contains three things. Number one, phosphate linkage, bases, and ribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar. Okay. Yes. Wait. I just want to check. There was one question if it's present in this paper or not. I guess I haven't done the question related to the percentage of A and T present and percentage of C and G is present. Okay, we have discussed already. Okay, then I must have sent the paper as well. What is the correct definition of enzyme? Is it a carbohydrate? No, it's a protein. Yes, it's a protein. Which statement describes the effect of temperature? High temperature denatures enzyme, so the substrate molecule cannot fit into it. Okay. What is the limiting factor at X? Okay. Why not carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide would be limiting factor would be the limiting factor till here. Like with the carbon dioxide concentration, the rate of photosynthesis increasing. So it would be limiting factor till before X only. Okay. Oxygen cannot be limiting factor because it's a product. Glucose cannot be the limiting factor because it's a product. So product can't be limiting factors. The things that are required for photosynthesis are limiting factors. Okay. Because with the increase in carbon dioxide, the rate of photosynthesis is increasing. It's not constant over there. It's increasing with increase in carbon dioxide. So limiting factor is anything that which increases, the other thing also increases, or which decreases, the other thing also decreases. Okay. The list show the feature of plant leaf. What are the adaptations for photosynthesis? Air spaces? Yes. We need it for chloroplast? Yes. Natural insecticide? No. Mesophyll cells? Yes. Xylem cells are close to mesophyll cells. Which nutrient is required to prevent scurvy? What is the deficiency of iron called? Correct. Okay, this is the diagram which confuse many students. Tell me what is the correct representation of a reaction by lipase? B. Since enzyme would not itself react, so these three are wrong. It would only catalyze or supervise, you can say. It won't react. Okay. A cross section of leaf is given. Where is xylem present? Let's say A is the upper epidermis, B is the D is the mesophyll cell, B is the vascular bundle, and it is present on the top layer of vascular bundle. Yes, it's B. Really? uh, okay. 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 Look at this question. Again, this have a word must. Okay. Water has to move, but must pass through these regions. Number one is root hair cell, then cortex, and then last one is phloem. Now tell me which things, sorry, through which parts it must passes. One and two. One and two. It can, it it can go directly from the here to here, but it won't pass through it. Okay. In double circulation, what is the role of right side? Right side receives the deoxygenated blood, and what will happen then? Wait. D. It receives the oxygenated blood and pump deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. Okay. What is X? It's phagocyte. Okay. Phagocyte have lobed nucleus. Lymphocyte has a complete round nucleus. Okay. Keep this thing in mind. This question is also very common. D. Okay. Keep this thing in mind. Lymphocyte complete nucleus. Phagocyte lobed nucleus. Okay. So there are three statements given. You have to tell the statement describing the active immunity. So the keyword is active immunity. Okay. Antigen trigger an immune response? Yes. Memory cells are antibodies are acquired from other individuals? No. One and two only. Which row shows the action of muscles during inspiration? Diaphragm contract, so external also contract. These two, they work in the same manner. Yes. Just give me a minute. I'm just listening. I couldn't understand a single thing he's saying. So acquired, when we acquire antibodies from other, this is also passive mode of immunity. Okay. Okay. Carbon dioxide, listen, carbon dioxide is produced from aerobic respiration. This is also a tricky question. How many carbon dioxide are produced from three molecules of glucose? 18. So you have to write the equation first of all. So it is for some students since I am writing it. So I guess you have got it, Jerry. How it's 18. Which statement describe how an oxygen debt is removed after vigorous exercise? Okay. Even after vigorous exercise, the heart rate is still high and the breathing rate is still high. Right? So, yes, yes, it is taken to liver for the breakdown. Okay. That's why your heart rate is high so that blood can be properly circulated and it removes the lactic acid, okay, from the muscles and take it to the liver. Which statement about urea is correct? Urea is produced by liver and removed by kidney. Okay, according to this, which statement is correct? Wait, liver break down protein to amino acid, that is incorrect. Liver break down amino acid to urea. Deamination happens in the liver. Okay, kidney only removes urea. So urea travels from liver cells to the kidney where it is removed. Okay, what is labeled at X? C. This one are the receptors. 25. Okay, this question we have done many times. Oh, what is position of fovea? Yes, cones. Only cones, while blind spot is the one. No cones, no rods. Okay, so B is the blind spot. Okay, what is the synthetic plant hormone 2,4-D is used for? As a hormone. Okay, we are, this is not part of the syllabus, but it's a chemical. Okay, this chemical is used to kill weeds. Try to absorb it. It's an older syllabus. Okay, which statement about asexual reproduction would be disadvantage for a farmer? Desirable quantities, it's a advantage, while this one is a disadvantage. Okay, this is the abnormal sperm cell. What is absent? It has a flagella, mitochondria, nucleus. So what is missing? Acrosome is missing. Okay, there is an enzyme present which, I guess it's working perfectly all right. For me, it's working okay. I'm looking at those. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay. One type of contraceptive pills contain progesterone and estrogen, which prevent the development and release of egg. Okay. Which hormone induce the development of egg? FSH. And what releases an egg? LH. So it is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 would be, if there is no FSH, there won't be egg development, right? Okay. Again, you are going to explain it, please. You. Yes. Explain this 130. Why have you selected this answer? Okay. Waiting for your explanation. Okay. And this happen in case of recessive only. If any one of any one of it is dominant, it means it is going to produce the heterozygous one. Okay? Yes. Yes. So if only recessive is present, only then it would produce only recessive offsprings. Exactly. If there is a dominance, then there are chances of both. B. Okay. We are on question number 31. Shall I send you the paper? Okay. Because it's a diagram one. So I'm sending you the paper. I've sent you the solved paper. Please check it. I've sent you already. Yes, you can. You can. Okay. 31 is there. Now, which statement is correct about this? Yes, yes. Exactly. This is not wind pollinated because the anthers are within the petal, it's not outside. So it is not carried by the wind. Yes. It is enclosed in the petal, so maybe flower, maybe some what was I saying? Insect is needed because it is cross pollinated. One is also correct. No, it would be genetically different. The pollen was produced from by another flower on the same plant. No, same plant is cross pollination mean different plants. Okay, it's okay. We can start a new one. I guess we'll be able to do this. This would cover much of the like content. Okay. Now, this question is again a bit tricky one. Listen to this. A woman with normal color vision, and they have given you the allele. It's a carrier. Allele is given. She has a male child with a man who's normal. So, this is sex linked disorder. Yes. So, it would be XB, XB, XBY, X small b. Yes. And it would XBY. So, they're talking about male. So, these two only. Okay. What is the chances of the male child being colorblind? Wait, they're talking about only male. This is the tricky part over here. 50%, look, listen, look at this. They're talking about only male, this XY. One male is normal, the other male is abnormal. 50%. Okay, sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder and it can be beneficial for some of the population. Why do you think so? Sorry? Okay, the last two are not correct. It's not sex linked. It's not caused by the dominant allele. Let's move to one. Sorry, B. B can be there since it's related to malaria. Okay, what is malaria? When the blood when the blood is taken by the mosquito. Is it malaria related to blood? When a mosquito takes the blood from the body and if it's infected, it multiplies the plasmodium. No idea about this one. Do you have no idea about this one? Really? Okay. Okay, wait. What is malaria? It's a general thing. In malaria, a mosquito would bite an infected person and take the blood. Then the plasmodium is going to get multiplied in the body of a mosquito, and then it pass the plasmodium to the other individuals. Okay, so plasmodium is the main cause, and it is caused by mosquito. So if a sickle cell anemia is there, sickle cell anemia means there is lesser blood, lesser RBCs. Wouldn't it be more beneficial if there is like lesser blood? How would they accommodate the plasmodium? When there is no blood, there is no less chances of disease. Okay, selective breeding. Selective breeding, it involves the parents that possess desirable features. Okay. What is the name of organism that obtain its energy from dead organisms? Easy one. Decomposers. Okay, next one. You have three, four things. You have to give the example of population. Herd of red deer, forest, snakes, large variety of birds. What is population? Population means a single species. Okay, many individual of a single species, that is red deer. Okay, forest is an ecosystem where you have many things, many populations, plant, animals, water, everything. Snake, okay, this one is biodiversity more like, while snake can be the community. Types are not given. There can be many types, many species. Yeah. If it's a single species, then it's a population. If there are like many species, then it would be community. Okay. Say similar goes with the like variety of birds, it would be community. Okay. Okay. With which kingdom do bacteria share the same genetic code? All. Bacteria is ancestor of all organisms. That's why we use bacteria in genetic engineering because its genetic makeup is similar to many organisms. Okay, which process make use of genetically engineering organism? We use bacteria to produce insulin. What is the reason for conserving plant species? To absorb oxygen, no. It releases oxygen. To it decrease rainfall, no. The other three are not possible at all. At all. Okay, what is 40? If you remove, they say, if all the finches, oh sorry, finches dies, why finches come into my mind? Which effect would this have? Now this has been removed. What will happen? There would be more caterpillars and they would destroy trees. You guys there? Why? Why? Why would there be more? They don't have another consumer, they would die. No, they are not eating sparrowhawks. This is the energy flow. These arrows show energy flow we have already discussed. So sparrowhawks are feeding on chaffinches. Okay? Hmm. So there would be more caterpillars that would destroy trees. Okay?